What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lemon Lime Card Time. Right now, Devin and I are on our way to a meat kind of show. More like a meat.
It's a crazy meat.
It's a crazy meat. We're going to Mexico, so you know what that means. So it's gonna take us a little while, but once we get there, we'll update you, and you guys will see for yourself. We're gonna have a lot on social media, and we're gonna have a lot for this video. So stay tuned, watch till the end. You're gonna like this one. All right, catch you in a bit. All right, guys. So this is my friend, my buddy. So we've been talking on Instagram ever since I joined the club. Finally get to meet this guy with his red Camaro. Over there, Devin and I kind of got in the wrong way. So we're gonna leave it here until we move out to the second spot in Mexico. But right now, we're here in Mexico, and we're gonna do some fun stuff. So stay tuned. Oh, we got the speed gravity repping hard all day. Follow the club, guys, on Instagram. Speed gravity. She forgot the decal. I hope he's coming. I want to see him do some donuts.
He said he is because I told him that I wanted to give you guys the decals. Okay. And he said that he had it. So I was like, okay, bet, because I'm gonna give him to him today. All
right, Carlos, if you aren't here and you're watching this video, you should have been here to give us our stuff.
Oh, I got the little white one on the windshield.
Yeah, exactly. He's parking in the wrong area. We're over there, man. We're over there.
Come park with us. You're allowed to sit with us.
You can sit with the cool kids. Oh damn.
What's your IG? I follow you, right? Or no?
I don't know. It's 50Joe15 or 50_. Yeah, you follow me.
They find me guilty.
Hey, now you do. There we go. All right, guys. Here's our lineup. Me. There's Leah.
Which one do you think stands up more? Red?
Devin. Yellow.
Yeah, either green or yellow.
All right. Well, in Mexico, the cops like to play. So, what's that playing? What you wanna do? Because they were coming for us, and we almost got caught. So that was interesting. I wish I had that one on film. All right, well, it's all good. It's all going on the vlog. I gotta get down there. Stock, there's no chats. I needed my cologne, hold on. Woo, there's my cologne. Who's next? I gotta get the angles. Oh, I thought that was Devin.
That's Mark?
Yeah, it's Mark. Light him up, Mark! That's quick. Damn, that thing hooked. Give him some burnout sauce. Come on, give him the sauce. Pull up a tiny bit first.
No, it's both ways.
Yeah, roll. All right. Now I'm not doing this with my shit.
On the other front.
Oh yeah!
I pull way more smoke than him.
Yo, yours is good.
There he goes.
Oh, there he goes. Woo! Holy crap, yo! Yo, he's got control. Damn. Oh, who's next, yo? Oh, he's doing it too far down. Yo, that dude's. Whoa! Oh, shit. Holy shit! Holy. Yo, I got it.
Not next to the cars. Yo, do that shit again.
Do it again.
I ain't doing that.
Yo, he had no control. Yo, my man! Hell yeah!
How the fuck did you do
Hell
that?
Yeah. Did you not expect that spring round? No way! Ah! Nice!
Let's go, Nick!
We're taking over. It'll be on 11 line car times. Holy shit! Back up, back up! Oh, what the fuck? I didn't know that's what you said. I didn't know that's what you meant when you said back up. I got a firework up my ass. Whew. Oh my God. Oh, I had a firework blow off of my ass. That hurt. Firework went off of my ass. That hurt.
Yeah, that was right next to us.
That one, dude. Oh my God. I have no idea. That went off on my ass. That hurt. Yo, when that truck was doing a burnout, he got rubber right in my mouth.
I'm corporate, you're all fucking arrested.
Oh, he's going again. Oh. That's our boy! Yeah, man! That's my boy! Hell yeah, brother! Look at this shit, guys! When in Mexico. Oh! No more power. All right, guys. Well, off that note, I'm gonna end the video right here. Too many cops in Mexico, I should say. Enjoy this whole video. I'll have it up as soon as possible, so you guys will be seeing this as I'm saying this. But that was awesome. That was insane. I can't wait to bring this to you guys again. Follow Speed Gravity on Instagram. Follow our club at Speed Gravity. Follow me on Instagram at 5.0_Joe. Follow the channel, Lemon Lime Card Sign. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you get a notification every time I post a new video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.